Hi everyone, this is Jody from Cody's General Store, and we are going to do a cute project today. I'm going to bring you back down here. This is going to be an Easter basket, is what it's going to be. This is decoupage paper that I've got here, and this is the rice paper by Decoupage Central. What I've got is an old cardboard, well, I guess it's like a bag. I'm going to use it for an Easter basket. I think it'd be a cute little Easter basket. So what we're going to start out with is, I painted that white too, just because on your decoupage paper, you want a lighter color so you can always make sure that your print will pop. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to cut my bunny out, but I'm going to use it with water. So I've taken a paintbrush, I dipped it in water, and I'm going to go around the bunny. Just like that. Because I just want him to come out. I don't want to take the whole picture. We're going to kind of create here. We won't get it done today, but I'm just going to hop on here real quick and show you some stuff. But I wanted to share with you the beginning of it. So what I'm doing, it's a little difficult with rice paper to get it to tear. It's got a lot of different fibers in it. See, it's a little different than the regular decoupage paper, but still just as easy to work with. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. That was all with water on a brush, and that was it. So just trying to get a little ready for Easter here. I did already buy some Easter treats, you know, the chocolate bunny. I still have grandkids, so some are older, but we still have some little ones still, so that's why I'm trying to put something together. Kind of create. You can do such fun stuff, plus it gives me the opportunity to share how to do this and just to create. I don't have any real game plan. Just kind of flying by the seat of my pants with this, but I saw that, oh, I don't know what to call it, a bag, basket, box looking thing. It's made out of cardboard, but it's heavy cardboard. And I thought that it has handles on it, so I thought that would be cute to kind of turn it into an Easter basket. So you can kind of use what you have to create and make fun stuff. So that's what we're doing. Just taking a few minutes, and like I said, we're tearing. You can cut these if you want, but I don't want to cut it. I kind of like that organic edge. This guy's going to be a cutie. Like I said, we're not doing the whole project today. We're just getting on here and doing a little bit. And then next week I'll get on and do more. We'll just kind of do it as we go. Like I said, it's going to be a work in progress. But there's so much you can do with decoupage papers. It is amazing what you can do. I haven't done, I'm going to do it on a cloth chair. I haven't done that yet, but I am going to decoupage on a cloth chair. I've seen people do it on YouTube, and I've taken a class. The neat thing about what you can do nowadays is you can take online courses from people over in Europe, and there's a couple people over there that I follow and take their classes. Do a lot of old world type stuff on furniture, and I love that. I love mixed media too. But it's so neat with all the internet stuff now. You can take a class. I'm getting over on the wrong area. I should be here. See? I get to talking and visiting and forget what I'm supposed to be doing, guys. I can't see any of your comments if you're commenting or asking questions, but feel free to, and I'll check it out once the video's over and answer any questions that you might have. start up here and get this little guy's ears. Gotta kind of watch where I'm tearing because I don't want to tear off his ears, but we could always fill it in, right? Because you can paint on decoupage paper too, so that's awesome. That helps. Maybe I'll look for some other. I know I have a decoupage paper that has some baby chicks on it. I'm just trying to think Easter. Maybe parts of this I did need to use scissors. I don't know. We'll see how good of a terror I am, huh? Of course, my paper's getting wet. All right. Hope you're all having a good day today. It is nice and warm here. We're in Eastern Oregon. And this has to be one of the warmest days we had, which I think, I'm not sure. I read I haven't been outside other than going to work, going to the studio, but I heard it was supposed to be like 68 degrees. So that's pretty dang good for us this time of year. It's been kind of chilly. I don't want to take these guys' whiskers off. I'm going to leave the whiskers on. So we'll figure that out, how we're going to do that and keep his whiskers. And we could always draw them in, can't we? If they need be. Let's see, wrong side there. Get the right side of the brush. I get so enthused with what I'm doing that I make boo-boos, but that's okay because they're happy mistakes. We can always fix stuff, right? With decoupage papers, all of our stuff we can, we have a lot of IOD products and molds and transfers, and we can always. So there's our guy. I'll show you the chicken. He's so cute. And this is a recycled paper, but look at that little chick. Isn't that the cutest? I think it is. And I thought this was kind of fun too. Isn't that cute? Maybe we can put that on the other side. Like I said, this is a work in progress, how it's going to be. Isn't that cute? Let me put my camera up. Maybe we'll do that for the other side. The camera's wonkadoodle. All right, guys, let's move this guy out of the way. And like I said, I've already painted my box. I have that painted, ready to go. So see where we're just going to apply this guy. And we can blend in. And like I said, if I put other things on here too, that would be good. I have this, what says Happy Easter. He could go in there on this side. I'm going to use the other one on the other side. I could go up there even. But we'll see. I'm just going to start off by decoupaging him on. I'm going to get a brush. Hang on, guys. Okay, back. Sorry, guys. Had to look for the brush. Okay, here we go. Move this up again. You can see the whole thing. There we go. So I've got my glue, and the glue that I use is a Maybe I'll just put him on the side there so I can add more stuff over here. What do you think about that? We'll add our stuff and then blend everything in once I get all my people on there. All right, so I'm just going to add this to the paper. Normally I put it on my thing that I'm putting it on, but this is just a little piece. And I think I told you before, I get more into doing furniture than smalls, but I like doing smalls too. And I usually use saran wrap, but right now I'm going to use my brush. Brushes work just as well. That guy's going to be a cutie. We're going to make our own little Easter basket here. You can always kind of peel it back to get underneath it when you're decoupaging. Decoupaging is super easy and so much fun. And like I said, you can kind of perk anything up that you're creating. If we got enough, we didn't get enough under this side, so just add a little bit more. Use my brush. I always end up going out from the inside out, the middle out, and I don't think I got enough there, so we'll see. You can get ripples and bubbles in there, but it's not a big deal. We can go back and fix them. You always can. Like I said, happy mistakes. Always happy mistakes. So I'm going to make this for my granddaughter. I think she'll like it. Of course, she'll like the stuff I fill in it, huh? All the goodies. Easter time. Okay, and as you see right now, I'm just putting, I don't always put it on right away after I do it, but on smalls, I do. I usually like to let it dry, but smalls, we'll get it on there. And I'm just putting a top coat. And that's what I use as a top coat to lay my decoupage paper down, and then I go over it with a top coat too to seal it. And once you seal it too, you can also do like a mixed media on here and put other things on here if you want. So what do you think? Isn't he cute? Little cute guy. And what do you think about this one? That's going to be cute too. So anyways, that's all we're going to do for right now, guys. Just wanted to get on here. I painted this. This was just like cardboard inside. It's sturdy. It's hard. I painted it with chalk paint, just white to make this pop. And then we'll probably blend and put more stuff on it. We could do like a collage on there, put some pretty flowers and stuff. There's all kinds of things. You know, I've even got some IOD flowers. We could put flowers on there. That's a transfer. We could put flowers on there. And we always got our little chickadee. And then, of course, that cute little guy can go on the other side. We'll have to think of something with that. But anyways, thank you for joining me. Just a quick little video. Thanks for joining. And if you like our quick videos, get on YouTube and subscribe. And we'll see you for the next one. And I'll be back to show you more of this guy. Okay.